Welcome back. Two important concepts that needs to be done are about the trading parameters. So we'll just write it down. Trading parameters, and we're going to look at very simply something called the base price and the closing price. Now, a base price is the one on through which the contract actually opens. So it's the first price. It's the first price of the contract which is to be traded. Now, if you look at the base price, it can be done either on the first day, right? So there can be a demarcation that what is going to be the base price of a contract on the first day of its launch and on subsequent days. So for the contract who's being traded for the first time, the base price, which is for the first day of its trading, has to be a theoretical price, right? So we have to look at the theoretical futures price. And you might recall that the theoretical future price is nothing but the spot price plus the interest rate differential or the points, right? So base price is the price जिस पे खुलता है, the order खुलता है. So the first price will naturally on the first day has to be a theoretical price, and the theoretical future price we've calculated is the spot plus the interest rate differential. And on the subsequent days, the base price has to be the final the daily settlement price of the previous day. So I hope the base price concept is clear. It's the price at which the contract opens. On the first day of the contract, the opening price has to be the theoretical future price, which will be nothing but spot plus interest rate differential. And on the subsequent days, the opening price will be nothing but the daily settlement price of the previous day. So I hope this concept is very clear. It does come in the NISM exam through various shapes and forms. But if the concept is clear, you will be able to answer any question on the base price. Now let's just have a look at the closing price. Now closing price of a contract will be the weighted average price. Is the weighted average price. Now one thing which we need to remember in the weighted average price is that what is the weighted average price and what is the timeline. So we have to look at the weighted average price of at least 5 transactions in last 30 minutes. So what we can say is that the closing price will be the weighted average price of the transactions in the last 30 minutes, right? And we have to look at a minimum of 5 transactions. So if the 5 transactions have not happened in the last 30 minutes, let's say the 5 transactions happened in like a 1 hour, then the weighted average price of 5 transactions in 1 hour will be taken. If the transaction has not happened through the day, then there is a theoretical closing price which will be computed. So please remember, base price is the opening price. First day it has to be the theoretical future price, which is nothing as spot plus IID. Subsequent days it will be the settlement price of the previous day. The closing price is the weighted average price in the last 30 minutes. So weighted average price in the last 30 minutes is very important again, is going to be the closing price. If there are not enough transactions, if not 5 transactions which have happened, then we look at the weighted average price of the transactions in, let's say, whenever those 5 transactions happen. And if let's say the trading has not happened at all in that contract, then we have to come down to a theoretical closing price, right? So see you soon for other concepts.